Hi friends, welcome back. So I am going to explain you in this video regarding kidney working model. You can refer in the description section how to make this model. You can refer that link and get this model on your own. We have developed this new model which is totally has been developed using waste material available at your home. So we are trying to make this video in this way. If you can see, right? So this is how the overall kidney working model look like. So let me explain you what are the various components available in this kidney working model. So we have two kidneys, the right kidney and the left kidney. The main functions of this kidney is to purify the blood. The kidneys acts as a very efficient filters for ridding the body of waste and toxic substances and returning vitamins, amino acids, glucose, hormone and other vital substances into the bloodstream. The kidneys receives a high blood flow and this is filtered by a specialized blood vessel. And also whatever the waste which is available in the blood, it will get pured. All the waste materials will get passed through a ureter. In human being, there are two ureters will be there. These are narrow tubes carrying urine from the kidney to the bladder. The main function of the bladder is to store the urine, allowing urination to be passed in a more controlled way. Then it will come out outside the body via urethra. So urethra's functionality is it is axial linkage between a bladder and outside the body. The urethra, this tube allows urine to pass outside the body. The brain signals the bladder muscle to tighten, which squeezes the urine out of the bladder. At the same time, the brain signals the sphincter muscle to relax to urine the exit the bladder through urethra. So let us demonstrate to you guys how this kidney working model really works. So we'll try to put the liquid to the kidneys, both left kidney and right kidney. If you can see, right, we are pouring the waste things. We are pouring the liquid into this. Then it will pass on to the ureter. Then it goes to the bladder. From bladder, it is coming out via urethra and it is coming out of the body. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.